Doon muna tayo sa what is a cardinal? Gaano ba ka-espesyal na maging isang kardinal?
Napaka-espesyal ng isang kardinal kasi kakaunti lang sila.
Ilan po ba
Kakaunti
sila?
lang sila. At as of Monday, April 21, there are 135 cardinals below the age of 80 who are eligible to participate in the conclave. So you try to imagine in the whole world, 135 lang. And the
And there are 1.4 billion Catholics
Exactly.
around the world, di ba? So 135 men electing the leader of a church with 1.4 billion members.
So yung mga kardinal, they are the closest advisors of the Pope. But their first task is to elect the Pope. And in the process, they themselves are candidates to be Pope.
Itong mga kardinal, anong kulay ng suot nga po ba nito?
Pula.
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 Bakit po pula?
Kasi ibig sabihin, they are ready to die for the church. They are ready to be martyred for the faith. No?